It's going to be a quick little video of the 3 Camaros and a cold start. We have an 87 iroc Z28. Don't mind the clutter, it's just getting put back together. Got a brand new 2-port injected 350 that I've built. Allowed me around 300 horsepower and 350 foot-pounds of torque. Just my little car. Gotta wait and finish up the wiring and patch up the holes in the AC system and stuff. And this car ready to rock and roll. We have another 87. It's a 2.8, an automatic. Another fresh rebuild. Got to pull the tranny out of it yet and go through that. And this will be ready for spring too also. This car got about 60,000 miles on it. iroc has close to about 200,000 on it. But then we have my pride and joy, an 84 Z28. Got a 350 in it, about 350 horsepower, 400 foot-pounds of torque. Fun car. Got 411s in the rear, a posi, 700 R4 with a shift kit. Transmission cooler. The only thing yet to do is finish the interior on the car. Needs a little bit of work yet, but it's getting there. It's about 25 degrees out. It's been sitting for a few days. So see if we can get this carbureted beast to start here. Some pedal pumping for all the people that enjoy that. And take 2. There she goes. Choke kicking in. Like I said, it's automatic. This car has original miles on the car. I've had this motor in for about a year now. It is going to be getting headers in the spring. I got to put them on, and it's going to get a true good exhaust instead of a 82 at that point. a little bit louder. Two-port injection. This is a true iroc, okay, G28. Yeah.